PSG stars NeymarJr and Lionel Messi train to face their opponent Marseille in the French Cup. Of course, they have been training here without Kylian Mbappé, who has got injuries, and Kylian Mbappé will be out of the ground for almost 3 weeks. Of course, it's a problem of a PSG team because Kylian Mbappé is one of the great and one of the player to whom he has positive contribution throughout the time. And of course, PSG squad is trained here to make sure that they are going to face Marseille effectively in the French Cup. And as normal as it is on the side of the PSG wants to lift the French Cup. And of course, it's just like as a normal culture nowadays. The current years they have always been winning the the French Cup, and of course they have been preparing here to make sure that things are going to be well in one way or another.